स्टार्ट कर दे, स्टार्ट कर दे, बताओ.
एक सेकंड.
I'm literally wearing pajamas नीचे and this top ऊपर.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Swasti. If you are new here, then please don't forget to check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel. So I'm back with another fun video, and this time I'm not going to be alone. I'm going to be joined by two of my best friends, obviously via video call because sad life. But yeah, you have already seen them on my channel, and we are going to be answering questions that guys want to ask girls, right? So let's just get into it.
Hi guys.
Why do girls wear so much या फिर spend so much time on makeup?
Okay, it depends, honestly. It depends upon girl to girl. I personally do not like makeup that much. I'm a pretty simple kind of a person. Just a BB cream, eyeliner, and lipstick. That is it for me. I don't do makeup. I don't like makeup that much. But I think people who love doing makeup, they do really well in it. And it is a personal choice to spend or not to spend on makeup, or to do or not to do makeup. So it actually depends upon person to person.
So personally, I love makeup. Like I really like doing it. I really enjoy doing it. But then again, it's not something I like doing it every day or something like that. But I do enjoy exploring makeup, learning new makeup, learning how to do different looks and all that. I love doing that. Why do people spend, like, not all girls spend like that much time and money on makeup? And yeah, and the point is makeup in general is just like expensive. So even if we just want to buy like a good lipstick, it'll cost us like 800 or something like that. And yeah, because we enjoy that, so we buy it because we like it. I guess that's the point. In general, it's a personal choice.
I personally don't like doing a lot of makeup. I like looking natural, but the thing is, guys don't like it when I look natural. But any which ways, I don't like makeup. I just put eyeliner, maximum say maximum, and hair and lipstick. But I like wearing like nice clothes and doing hair. I don't like makeup as such. And anyways, girls don't do makeup to impress guys. They do makeup because they like it.
Next question. Have you ever farted in a public place?
No. Like बचपन में I am sure I must have done it, but as an adult, no.
I have never farted in a public place. No, I don't think so. Like I don't remember. Maybe like as I usually said, as a kid maybe, but not that I can remember of. Nothing that significant that I remember. No.
No, I don't think I farted in a public place. And if I have, if I wanted to fart, I went to the washroom and farted. मतलब washroom, public washrooms में I have farted, but not in a public place, public gathering.
Why don't girls text first? And Ayushi, you should answer this.
Okay, I don't know. Like for me personally, I don't like texting first to anybody, not only a guy or a girl. It doesn't depend. Go like that for me. For me, it is just anybody, because like if the last text is mine, I cannot text first because I feel I'll be irritating the person while texting so much or by texting so much. So I do not like texting first. But if there's something really urgent or something important or any such things, I do text first, only occasionally, which is very rare, very, very, very rare. But that is my personal reason for not texting first. But only if the last message is mine, I won't text first. Apart from that, I don't have a problem texting first.
Personally, I don't have a problem with texting first. Like I really don't have an issue with that. Like I remember earlier I used to have when I was in school maybe. But now I've just reached that level where I think like life is too short and all that philosophy जो होती है. So I believe in all that now. So now it's not an issue. If I feel like talking to some person, even if we have not talked like in ages, I'll just text them. I don't have a problem. If I have some work then, so definitely, like I don't have an issue with texting people first anymore.
This is not at all valid to me because I have literally no sharam. I never had sharam. I always text everyone, be it guy, be it girl. I text everyone first. I don't give a damn. I love communicating, so this is not valid to me.
Why do we go to the bathroom in groups?
I have no clue. It's like just something that we do. Like, for example, like somebody if has bags or something, then the other person or other two people can hold it or stuff like that. Like, if all three of us want to go to washrooms, then one person can stay out, hold the stuff. Then if the other person comes out, give the stuff to them, and then go. So kind of like that. But we also like going in groups just to click pictures. Because washrooms sometimes are very pretty and we love clicking pictures.
We go in groups because we want to take pictures and we want company in the washroom because we don't want to get bored in the washroom. That is
हाँ मतलब there is no like there's no reason as such वो ऐसे to that is the only two reasons we go ना, to hold stuff या फिर photos and all. There's no. What do you want to be in life? I have the answer.
What do I want to be in life? I want to be happy.
You stole my answer.
Answer. But like I really genuinely want to be happy and in love, honestly. Those two things I really want to be in life apart from everything else.
Same. All I want to be is happy. वो जैसे भी होगा वो life में sort हो जाएगा. But I just want to be happy and I want to be at peace in general.
the both of them have told what they want to be in life and what everyone in general wants to be in life at the end. So yeah, I also want to be happy. And one more thing, and be a career woman and a homemaker, like know how to balance it and be a good one.
5 मिनट नेक्स्ट संडे 5 मिनट हम लोग हमारे लिए ताली बजाएंगे. This is a fun question. ठीक है, even though we hate the people who gossip about us, but we still love gossiping. Why?
This is a very nice question actually.
Gossiping is like,
See, gossiping is like in everybody's fitrat, not only in girls or in boys, but in everybody's fitrat. It's like we, even if we talk, we unknowingly also start gossiping. Sometimes we also don't know that we start gossiping. Like sometimes we intentionally start gossiping, but sometimes we also don't know and we start gossiping. So like it happens intentionally also, unintentionally also, and it's like fun. Okay, it's a great way to pass your time. You need something to pass your time, start gossiping. You will pass your time nicely, and a lot of us will go away.
gossiping is like the best time pass. Okay, gossip नहीं है तो भाई life में कुछ है ही नहीं. मतलब gossip वो गर्माहट लाता है life में. We need that gossip. We need it and we need to do it also. So everyone gossips.
That's what she said. But I don't like I don't hate people who gossip about me as such, as long as they're not like spreading false rumors about me. मेरे को ऐसा कोई problem नहीं, because gossiping is normal. कि हाँ this happened and then we are reporting it like Rachel says. That's all.
And as long as the gossip becomes like a serious judgment towards that person, and then
So I make sure I don't do that to people, but I say it's a lot of fun. And this is not a girls thing. I know so many guys who love gossiping. Like,
yeah, everyone does. Girls, guys, everyone.
do we objectify men? I personally don't, except like calling them stuff like snack and stuff. Except for like calling them snack and stuff, when some of them like Siddhant Chaturvedi and Ranveer Singh are looking too hot. I don't think I objectify men.
Calling them hot, or oh they look so good and snack and stuff like that. I don't think I've said anything inappropriate like that about a guy or objectified him in any way apart from that. I don't know if this is also called objectification, but yeah, apart from that I've never said anything.
I don't think I've objectified men and men or guys, because I mean and calling a guy hot or all of that, calling a guy hot is not objectifying. I feel saying hot or you have nice abs is just like complimenting that you have this, that is good about you. So,
Question is related to this only, that do looks matter to you guys?
for me, looks matter a little, but not really. Like, that is not the main thing. That is one of the things in which I see, but firstly on my top priority is to see the inner person, and then comes the looks and all of that. But it does matter a little.
मेरे लिए it really does not matter, but मेरे लिए presentability matters, like how they present themselves in general. Looks में मतलब appearance wise देखे तो the way they present themselves matters, मतलब थोड़ा बहुत, but it's a very बाद में आता है factor. Like genuinely मेरे को तो first में ऐसा नहीं आता. If the guy is like extremely good looking or handsome or cute, then it's a bonus, but it's not important.
Yeah, it's a bonus if that
It is a
happens.
bonus. Of course, it's a bonus. Yeah.
It should be for me.
Are girls more emotionally strong? And if yes, then how? And I don't think there's anything like girls are more emotionally strong, but I feel that from a young age, girls see a lot more things. Like our perspective towards life is very huge and wide than what it is for guys, and हम लोग को ज़्यादा टोका जाता है, सुनने को मिलता है. इट्स अ वेरी नॉर्मल थिंग. इट्स नॉट, आई एम नॉट इवन सेइंग इट इन अ वेरी एक्सट्रीम मैनर, बट छोटा छोटा चीज़ भी वी आई फील आर अ लिटिल मोर ऑब्जर्वेंट दैन मैन. आई फील बिकॉज दे आर काइंड ऑफ एब्सेंट माइंडेड मोस्ट मैन. तो इसलिए I feel that is why maybe we are a little more emotionally strong, because we have seen a lot more things than probably men have. But again, वो भी बहुत सारे लड़के बहुत कुछ देखते भी हैं, but जनरलाइज अगर कर रहे हैं तो फिर आई फील हाँ थोड़ा सा तो होता है, बिकॉज वी हैव टू एंड्योर लॉट मोर थिंग्स इन अ जनरल लेवल दैन गाइज.
Yeah, I mean, firstly, I feel that it's not necessary that girls specifically are emotionally very strong. Like, all girls in general are specifically very strong, because most girls, there are many girls I know who are not very emotionally strong, but I know some guys who are very emotionally strong. So I won't say that in girls specifically are very emotionally strong. But talking about the majority, I think girls are a little emotionally strong, because of the way they're treated since childhood. They're told that you have to behave in a certain manner and do certain things.
Okay, this is nice. What does feminism mean to you?
For me, feminism is equality of everything. Not only one aspect, but everything. Equality of each and everything. That's it. I don't feel that women should be superior or men should be superior. Both should be equal.
So I think feminism means equality between both the genders, basically. Like, because we've seen continuously that men have more pay scale, women have less pay scale, and things like that. Little things, but equality between both the genders, and not the fact that women are greater than men or something like that. Feminism is basically just equality between both the genders, and that's what it means for me, at least.
Is gold digging a thing?
I think gold digging is very real. It is actually real. Like, women usually, not usually, like women many a times date guys just for the finances, and how much they can pamper him, how much the guys can pamper her, and buy her gifts and everything. Like the financial aspect of it, that is more important to a woman than the emotional aspect. So yes, I really think that gold digging is a real thing.
It is definitely a thing. Like, I know
so many girls who do this, but again वो बहुत गलत होता है. And हाँ, like a lot of girls date people only for the money or the cars they have, थोड़ा show off करने के लिए. It's completely wrong, but it is the thing है, of course होता है. It's not nice. It's not nice at all. What is the best way to approach you? A hi, a simple plain hi, no cheesy lines, no compliments, कुछ नहीं, बस hi, simple hi, introduce yourself, that's it.
No pickup lines, no flirting, no cheesiness. मेरे को I don't like these three things. Please. Not if I know you. Like if I know you, ठीक है. You can use pickup lines on me once in a while, but nothing apart from that. But to approach me, just a simple hi, a good quality conversation. Like not hi, how are you, what are you doing, and then it becomes awkward. No, we should be able to have a good quality conversation also. Like just start with a normal hi, and just continue the conversation with me. That would be a great way to approach me.
Guys, we three are single, so if anyone wants to ask us out, you can ask us out. Yeah.
Is there anything that is TMI between girl best friends?
TMI between us, I think as a person I'm very uncomfortable with TMI. I don't like it. I don't approve of it. I'm not asking for it. I'm not dying for it. I can live without it. But then we do tend to share things that are kind of TMI. And like not completely, like we don't give out everything away, but just a little tiny detail. That's kind of it. But apart from that, not much of it, really.
Okay, for me, मतलब होना चाहिए. There should be some things that should be only like personal to you, but again मतलब sometimes those मतलब इतना कोई lines नहीं होता है. It ends up becoming a little open, थोड़ा सा हो जाता है. But hey, like there should be, according to me, there should be a few things. Okay guys, इतना ही questions था, बहुत सारा questions हो गया है. And thank you so much for being here, and bye. Can we hope to meet soon? I miss you guys.
I have a YouTube channel, Just Another Move Point. Subscribe there also, please, and thank you. It's somebody break your heart.
I was, ये वीडियो करने से पहले I was just dancing on चुनरी